Good morning. How are you doing, everyone? My name is Bobo and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna give you a hotel tour, and this hotel is called Puri Raja Hotel. So this hotel is located at Padma Utara Street, very close to Legian, very close to Seminyak, 25 minutes drive from Bali International Airport, and it's on the beach called Seminyak Beach. And this is the staircase to the lobby area, so we'll show you the swimming pool and we'll give you a room tours as well. Without further ado, let's go. Well, here I am, guys. This is the lobby area. There's so many seating area here, so space, very nice couch, beautiful sculpture, and this is the front desk. I like this chair. It's so different, made of wood. And this is the staircase to the room over there. And this is just some wood carving to show. It's just for the show, that's what I want to say. And more couch here, made of wood, nice table. So the room is over there. It's so green. And this is the swimming pool. Oh my gosh. Have a look at the swimming pool. So it has two swimming pool. And I'm gonna walk down. And we'll show you the room and the swimming pool. So this hotel is a 4-star hotel. It's so green over here. Beautiful breeze. And this is some faucet where you can wash your hand. And they have some work here where you can order one of theirs. It's something like a nameplate, so you can put your name in here. They'll make it for you. G'day.
Hello.
Beautiful morning here.
Beautiful.
I'll see you tomorrow morning. What's your name?
No, we're going.
Oh, you're going home. Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that. So that is Seminyak Beach, and this one here is the breakfast area. Very nice music, traditional Balinese music. I'm gonna walk down to the swimming pool. So this hotel, it has two swimming pools. Welcome to the swimming pool, everyone. Well, it's really good. It's gonna be nice to stay by the water in this hot weather. There's so many sunbaths around the swimming pool. Hey, g'day, good morning.
G'day, mate.
What's your name?
Matt, what's yours?
Hi, Matt. Nice to meet you. My name is Bobo.
Hey, Bobo.
So, did you just had some swim?
Had a great swim, mate. Beautiful place. Nice to relax.
All right. What part of Aussie are you from?
From Melbourne.
From Melbourne. How long you stay here for?
12 nights.
12 nights?
Last night tonight.
So, tell me a little bit about this hotel.
The staff are very friendly.
Yeah.
The gardens are incredible. The pools are beautiful. It's a perfect place to relax.
Wow, it's good to know about it. And have you ever been to Bali before?
This is my first time.
Your first time? Unbelievable. How did you know about Bali?
We're here with a big group that come here regularly.
All
They
right.
stay at this hotel a lot.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you. Have a
Have
good
a
day.
great day.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go check the room. And the room number is 103. Halo, selamat pagi, Pak.
Selamat pagi.
Ya. Apa kabar?
Selamat datang, baik. Terima kasih. Selamat datang. Silakan.
Oh ya, kalau boleh tahu Pak, nama kamarnya apa ini?
Nama kamarnya Super Deluxe.
So this room is called Super Deluxe. Let's take a walk. This is the front door and the door is opened. Twin bed in here with beautiful sheets. Then there is 4 pillows, 2 cushions, and then over here to my right there is 2 couch with very nice round table, big window over there. And then right here in the corner, there is a light or a lamp. And then this is the nightstand. There are 2 nightstands. Beautiful painting. Very nice ceiling with light on that. And then to my left, there is a big screen TV mounted on the wall. DVD player is available. There's a desk in here with a stool. And then this is the closet. Next to the closet is again some storages. So there are a lot of storages in here. You can find some mineral water, 2 glass, 2 cup, some coffee, tea, and everything. Electric kettle, so you can make hot water or cold water. And this is some storages for your suitcases. Beautiful light. Have some tissue over there. And this is one more painting here. The closet is pretty huge. Let me open it up. You can find there are 2 pajamas, and then umbrella down below, safety box over there, and some coat hanger or gloves hanger. And then let me show you the bathroom. I'm gonna take a walk to the bathroom. The door is already opened. And ta-da! Wow, have a look at the sink. It's single sink. This is so beautiful. It's brown, made of marble. Very nice faucet as well. And then there's some storage in here for your shampoo soap, hair dryer, beautiful light, and also nice light on the ceiling. You can find here 2 glasses, soap, shower cap. This is towel rack. And then to my right over here we have a rain shower, some holder as well. Next to the shower we have the toilet, very nice shape. And this is the toilet paper. And this one has towel rack. And there is one more room over here. Let's check it out. I'm gonna walk. The glass door, open ceiling, tons of natural light, and there is a ladder here as a decoration. You can put anything you want in here. I would say that it's kind of a storage space, and this is the bathtub. The bathtub is pretty good shape and deep. And this is the faucet. Again, large mirror over there. Well everyone, this is it, my video for today. Hopefully you'll enjoy this. I want to say thanks. Have a great day, and don't forget to keep smiling.